Say and spell your name for me.
Dominique Tucker-Robertson, DOMINIQUETUCKER, Robertson, ROBERSON.
Okay, and where do you go to school?
I'm a recent graduate from Benton College.
Very good. Okay. All right, good. Thanks for that. David, again, if you can just slide a little closer to this camera. And we're rolling. When you're ready, ignore me and just talk to me. Just look at me.
Okay.
Dominique, what was the topic of your group's research project?
We actually worked kind of individually, separately. We both had, it's two of us in Dr. Waterman lab, and we worked on two individually different projects. So my topic that I looked under in my research, we tried to see if I can use magnesium as since it's a biodegradable material, as a stent in the airway. And I did that by immersion tests and implanting the magnesium in cells. And my partner, who was in the lab, he did photonomics, so he did gels on different genes expressions like COX-2 and stuff like that.
And what did you find in your research?
The good thing that I found that depending on the weight and size of the magnesium, you can use it as a medical implant, or you can also use it as a stent in the airway. And I also found when you give the samples protein, they have a longer lasting stability over time versus the samples that I put in solutions that did not have protein. They didn't last as long as the samples that had protein. So that was a great, interesting finding that we found this summer.
How will your work here in the summer program affect your future work?
The work that I have done here this summer will affect my future work in terms of me being able to continue. I'm building on something. So I'm building, like now I'm saying, okay, I can test these magnesiums in airway solutions. I can test this magnesium in samples. And now I'm able to say, the next step, I might say, oh, I could do in vitro. So with my future work and my future plans, it can always continue and it can always build on. So.
And you just graduated, got your bachelor's degree in biology.
Mm-hmm.
And what do you plan to do next?
I would like to be a clinical research nurse. So in the fall, I'm going to Hampton University of Virginia Beach to do an accelerated nursing program to get my RN. My overall goal is to be a clinical research nurse, and with the research and the experience I'm getting here in the ERC, that's able to help me, with my long-term goal as well.
What has this program meant to you?
The program has meant a lot. I started the program, this is my second year. I started the program a little over a year ago. So I did last summer through the school year and this summer. And I can just notice the change in me. Like research, it gives you growth, and your potential as a student overall changes. When you have something that you care about and you're passionate about and you're good at it, it gives you a sense of pride and it makes you want to do well in classwork or other labs. So overall, the program has had a significant part of my growth as a student.
That's terrific, Dominique. Thank you.